Hey, so today let's discuss about EveryDollar and Monarch. So I'm going to be listing the differences between these two platforms and go ahead and crown it up by telling you my best between these two platforms. As you know, EveryDollar is a budgeting application which is created by Ramsey Solutions and it's funded by financial guru known as Dave Ramsey. It follows the zero-based budgeting method where every dollar is assigned to a purpose, okay? And the app is designed to help users to create and maintain a budget, track expenses, and manage personal finance. All right. It offers both free and paid version, which is called EveryDollar Plus. All right. And it includes additional features such as bank synchronization. And on the other hand, right there, we have Monarch, which is also known as Monarch Money. And Monarch is a personal finance and budgeting application, which is designed to help users manage their money effectively. It provides tools for budgeting, expense tracking, and financial planning. And one thing about Monarch is that it aims to offer a comprehensive views of a user financial health. Okay. Also, it includes budgeting and investment tracking and goal settings. So it is a subscription-based services which focus on providing a premium user experience with detailed financial insight. Let's talk about the key differences between both platforms, and you can use this to make the best decision for yourself. The first one is the budgeting method. When it comes to Monarch Money, it offers flexible budgeting methods and it allows users to choose different style of budgeting that suits their needs. Why that of EveryDollar, they use a zero-based budgeting method where users allocate every dollar to a specific category. So the best here depends on your preference. EveryDollar for strict zero-based budgeting and Monarch for flexibility. And when it comes to cost, EveryDollar, they have a free version available, but they also have EveryDollar Plus, which costs roughly around $18 per month and $80 per year as at the time of creating this guide. And also Monarch Money, at the other hand, they have a subscription base, which is starting at $15 per month and roughly $100 per year. So right here, the best can still be EveryDollar for offering a free version, but however, it depends on your own need. And when we talk about bank synchronization, in EveryDollar, it is available only in the paid version, which is EveryDollar Plus. But in Monarch Money, the bank synchronization is being included, okay, in the standard subscription. So the best here can still be Monarch Money for including bank synchronization in its base offering. Another point one I'm going to talk about is the user interface, because when it comes to Monarch Money, they have modern intuitive interface with a focus on a premium user experience, okay? But when it comes to EveryDollar, they have simple and straightforward interface, and also they have ease for beginners. Okay, so the best here, I'm still gonna go with Monarch Money for its sleek and modern design. Okay, let's talk about financial planning tools. When it comes to EveryDollar, they primarily focus on budgeting and expense tracking. Okay, why when it comes to Monarch Money, they offer comprehensive financial planning tools, including investment tracking and goal settings. So best here will still be Monarch Money for its extensive financial planning features. Okay. And on the other hand, if we talk about mobile application, the Monarch Money is available for, both iOS and Android, and it has highly rated user experience. Why when it comes to EveryDollar, they are available on both iOS and Android, and they also have good functionality. So the best here will still be the both. I will still go with Monarch Money because it's slightly more polished, okay, when it comes to mobile application experience. Talk about expense tracking. With Monarch Money, they have automatic expense tracking, which is included in the standard subscription. Why when it comes to EveryDollar, they have manual entry in the free version, so automatic tracking is in the paid version. So right here, the best is still Monarch Money for integrated automatic expense tracking in their plan. So now let's talk about the customer support. Well, EveryDollar, they offer, customer support via email and online resources. While Monarch Money, they provide customer support through chat, email, and extensive online resources. So both also can still be a tie because both platforms, they offer, a good customer support, but maybe I'm still going to go with Monarch Money, however. Okay. All right. When it comes to customization, the Monarch Money, they are highly customizable, okay, which allows users to tailor the experience to their need. Why EveryDollar, they they are limited, okay, when it comes to customization options, so they focus more on simplicity. So I'm still gonna go with Monarch Money in this aspect because they have greater customization capabilities. Okay, so talking about financial insight, Monarch Money, they offer detailed financial insight, okay, and report, and they also include net worth tracking. Okay, so but at the other hand, when it comes to Ramsey EveryDollar, they provide basic budgeting insight. So in this aspect, Monarch Money still wins because they have detailed financial insight. Okay. And talking about integration with other financial tools, the EveryDollar, they have limited integration. They primarily focus on budgeting, except that of Ramsey Institution. But when it comes to Monarch Money, they have integration with various financial tools and services, and they provide a holistic view. So best here will still be Monarch Money. I think Monarch is really winning this, okay, in my own case. Okay. So now investment tracking also, when it comes to Monarch Money, it includes investment tracking as part of its services. Why EveryDollar, they do not offer investment tracking features. Okay. So possibly very soon they add that to their own feature. Okay. But right here in the investment tracking, I'm still going with Monarch Money. Okay. And goal setting, when it comes to goal setting, the EveryDollar, they have basic goal setting feature. Okay. But Monarch Money, they have advanced goal setting and tracking tools, okay, so which are very good. So that is why Monarch Money is still the best for comprehensive goal setting feature. And the 14th point here is user base. So when it comes to Monarch Money gaining popularity among users, looking for a comprehensive financial management tools is much their goal. Okay. Why they talking about EveryDollar, they are widely used by followers of Dave Ramsey's financial principles. Okay. I mean, you can see that they even have a web page under Dave Ramsey's domain. So that is what you need to know. So the best here depends on the target audience. EveryDollar for those who are aligned with Dave Ramsey's method, and Monarch Money for more broader financial management. Okay. So the last point I have here is the overall experience. So when it comes to EveryDollar, they have simple and effective for strict budgeting, okay, especially for beginners. So but when it comes to Monarch Money, they are more feature rich and suitable for users who are looking for all-in-one financial management solution. So the best here, I still go for Monarch Money for a more comprehensive and detailed financial management experience. So those are the differences that I want to list to you guys. Okay. So right here, I'm just going to talk about, my conclusion, because choosing between EveryDollar and Monarch Money, it depends on your personal financial and, management needs and preferences. So when it comes to personal financial management need, and in case you prefer a simple zero-based budgeting approach, then you can say, okay, EveryDollar is ideal if you want a straightforward budgeting tool that helps you allocate every dollar of your income. Okay. And it is particularly suitable for anyone who follows Dave Ramsey's financial principle, and you're looking for a tool that aligns with those methods. Okay. And if in case you seek for a more comprehensive financial management, then you might want to check out Monarch Money, because it provides a more feature rich experience, including budgeting, investment tracking, detailed financial insights, and goal setting. So it is better if you want a holistic view of your finances and also need tools beyond simple budgeting. Okay. So those are the things I have for you. And talking about my recommendation, I'm still going to choose Monarch Money because of the comprehensive features. Okay. Also, it has flexibility, and also it has integrated experience, the modern interface, which is also sleek and, intuitive in design, which enhances user experience, and also feature planning because it has advanced goal setting tools, which helps with long-term financial planning. So that is the reason why I'm gonna go with Monarch Money. Okay. Why EveryDollar is excellent for those who strictly follow zero-based budgeting, and maybe you are adherent to Dave Ramsey's philosophy. But as for me, because Monarch provides a broader range of features that can cater to a more complex financial needs and preferences, that is why I am going for Monarch Money. So that is what I have for you in today's video. And if you feel like, oh no, EveryDollar is still the best, I prefer it than Monarch Money, you can let us know your reason in the comment box, possibly to help other people also to make informed decision and help everyone to learn. I'm not an expert. This is just me giving you my best advice and also telling you what I know about these two platforms. Thank you very much for your time. I believe this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Possibly it helps other people to also watch this and learn a lot and make the best decision out there. Till another time, I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.